water quit running. Couple more feet missing over here. There's more water than these two pipes can handle, apparently, because it ate around both sides. Wow. And there's still some more weather coming in up high.
Hi guys! We just came down to do some doctor appointments, doctor stuff, and we're down at Orange and we're gonna go to a place called Boss Cat Kitchen and Libations for lunch. And we'll be down here for a day or so and head on back home when we're ready.
Not the rain quit. It's lovely down here.
I know, it's beautiful down here. It's just really beautiful. And if anybody doesn't know where this is, we're in Orange, California. It's one of our favorite towns that we like to visit.
Cool.
And close to our doctors. Pig candy.
Ooh, gluten-free.
What'd you say?
It's gluten-free. I don't feel guilty.
Yummy. Billy and I love to discover unique and special places along any of our journeys that we're on. St. Francis by the Sea is a fully operational church and one of the smallest churches in the world here in Laguna, California. Built in 1934, its architecture is from Baroque Mediterranean craftsman style. It seats only 42. It's very cozy, but this historical small space has a lovely impact on everyone that sees it and the community. We weren't able to enter at the time that we arrived, but we did make a phone call to the priest here, Father Brian, and had the most wonderful conversation. We can hardly wait to return. We're at Laguna Beach at Heisler Park. We are in between doctor appointments and came down here and Purdy. Really.
The view's not bad either. That guy just surfed. He just rode a wave. This other guy gonna get one?
Say no.
Absolutely no collecting.
No.